What's up? It's your boy Elgin, back at it again with another video. If you don't know me, founder of the Workman Network, educational platform, talk about career, finance, overall development. Also, I'm a mechanical engineer and licensed realtor in the state of Louisiana. So got a few things going on, but we keep it cool. But yeah, so I just had something on mind that I really wanted to talk about today, and I just think you guys really need to be informed about just the state of the economy, state of the world, state of the job market, just so that you overall prepared and have a good perspective on what's really going on, in the grand scheme. And the main issue that I see that nobody's really talking about is this problem with technology and the elimination of jobs and the pretty much the reduced need for the type of labor that pretty much support the economy all the way to this point. We were thriving about 10 years ago, right after the '08 recession. So for like the last 10, 12 years, we were really thriving, going hard, and everybody was working, making a good living for themselves. But recently we've been having a lot of advances in technology, artificial intelligence, robotics has been really good, in the industrial space. And just a lot of systems in place to where we're pretty much eliminating the people element of things. Like, I don't know if you guys been to the grocery store. Pretty much eight times out of 10 when I go to the grocery store, I check out my own groceries. I even seen one store where you don't even have to go scan anymore. You could just walk out with the cart, and there's like a sensor that scans all the groceries that's in your cart, and you automatically get the money taken out of your membership account, to where you don't even need to go to a register or anything. It's just automatically pulled out, and then if you go to like any automobile manufacturer, it's just robots in there making that. Like all the Teslas and stuff like that, that's robot. Elon Musk own all those robots, and he lets the robots work for him. I really see that as a huge issue because right now we're heading into a global recession. And usually whenever there's a global recession, what we do is we try to create jobs for Americans. That way they can make a living for themselves. That way they can pay the higher prices due to inflation and things like that. There's not going to be many jobs for people to get if we keep relying on technology to pretty much fill that void for us. So I could see that kind of being a slowdown for the recovery of the economy, and also just a slowdown of people being able to feed their family on a daily basis. So it's important that you understand what's going on in the world. That way you know how to pretty much implement your strategy on how you're going to overcome, the things that's coming right now. So the first key is just understanding what's going on. The second key is, strategizing and seeing what to do next. So in my opinion, what to do next would be understand what kind of skills are valuable nowadays in the marketplace, and pretty much positioning yourself to where you have those skill sets, and you can market those skill sets to the employer instead of being unskilled labor, they might say, because nowadays we have mechanisms, we have mechanical devices, we got systems that can do this unskilled labor. So you have to leverage yourself into a more power position nowadays. It's very competitive. We can't sit here and cry about it. We can't complain about it. It is what it is, and the world is what it is. So we have to evolve with it. It's like if you don't go with the current, you're going to be swimming against the current. You might fuck around and drown. You feel me? So just swim with the current, understand what's going on, and and put yourself in a position. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I just wanted to kind of just bring that to people's attention. Like, understand that technology does help us, but at the same time, you are in competition with every device, around you. Every device that they make is just another, piece of competition for you to, push you to do more and, learn more, grow, and, make yourself more valuable in the market. So that's all I got for this one. And I appreciate y'all. Make sure you like and subscribe and share it with somebody if you feel like this was insightful or beneficial to you. Yeah, peace.